Viewers, welcome to NRG Healthcare. I am Dr. Akila. Today we will discuss about cough. Cough can be associated with fever and phlegm. If it is, then it's most likely there is an infection. Most of the infection is a viral infection. It gets better by itself, or it can be related to bacteria infection or fungus infection. Most common area which get affected are either sinus problem or tonsil problem or throat infection. If there is more cough with phlegm and breathing difficulty, the chances of the lung infection is more. If you have any other infection like urine infection or skin infection, that can cause fluid accumulation in the lungs, that can cause cough with phlegm. Especially if there is a cough which is not settling for more than 2 weeks with fever, there is a strong possibility of tuberculosis infection in India. The other type of cough is where there is no fever. Most common reasons are allergy problem, asthma and COPD problem. It can be related to cancer also, especially if you have cough for long duration and when you cough there is a blood in your sputum and weight loss and less appetite. The other reasons are if you have a high acidity level, the acid get reflected into your throat, that causes cough. Even heart problem can cause cough. When the heart is not pumping properly, fluid accumulation in the lung, that can cause cough. Especially smokers can have cough because of the lung cancer, or even without lung cancer, it is called smoker's cough. So any cough with fever, you have to look for any infection. Cough without fever, it is very important to look where it is coming from and treat. Please be aware of these symptoms and seek for medical help if the cough is not settling down. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to NRG Healthcare and share with your friends also.